Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit all so you can get all my videos. If you're back, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button so you can share this video with others and we can get this channel up and running. Thank you so much for all the subscribers out there. We have gone past 300 and I really appreciate all your support. Today I have a really great video for you, and we're going to talk about CCIV or Lucid Motors. It has come out with two important big information pieces. The first one being the new driver assistant technology data that has been given out there, and I think it's going to be a very nice move for the stock moving forward. And also we're going to talk about where Lucid's potential could be in the next 1 year. I think you're really going to like this video, so let's check it out. First, I wanted to talk to you about Lucid Motors as it previews its driver assistant technology. And this is going to be a big, important part of Lucid because we have not heard of its autonomous driving or any of its driver assistance technology yet. With Lucid, its CEO, Peter Rawlinson, is doing a very good job about advertising about his new vehicle. And I think as we get closer and closer to production date, we'll see more information come out. However, Lucid Motors is out with more information on their advanced driver assistance technology on its Air model. Now, the Air Dream will be the first vehicle to have this, and it will have the Dream Drive, which will include 32 sensors, including the latest vision, radar, and ultrasonic and LiDAR technology. Looking at LiDAR technology, Lucid Air will be one of the only electric vehicles with this LiDAR and driver monitoring technology. What it will do is it can help driver with surround view monitoring, park in and out, and it will also have front cross traffic protection and more. This will soon roll out, and it will be demonstrated in the Lucid user experience where we can actually see this function and see this work, which will be really nice to see. The Dream Drive will use spatial alerts to help improve safety and have the driver have an elegant Lucid user experience that will interact with the technology features. As I mentioned, Lucid Motors does plan to have a full reveal of the Dream Drive system in the near future. I wanted to transition into another article that talks about where will Lucid be in 1 year. So now we see that Lucid is slowly coming out with all of its technologies and all of its luxury features that this vehicle will have. It's very important to know that Lucid will be coming and merging from CCIV, the SPAC, into Lucid Motors, which will have a new ticker of LCID. And this will be in July 23rd or around this time that the vote will happen to cause this merger. In addition, Lucid will be producing its first production vehicle, and it will start rolling production out in September of this year with its Lucid Air Dream Edition. And this is going to be very big. So far, this edition has 577 vehicles reserved and already accounted for at the starting sticker price of $169,000. So where will Lucid be in the next 1 year? While Lucid Motors is preparing to launch its first all-electric luxury sedan, it's the only vehicle EV maker out there that has a long battery range and better performance than the Tesla Model S or any Tesla out there. This startup automaker plans to go public next month through the merger from CCIV into Lucid Motors, as I had mentioned earlier. And this vehicle will be an ultra luxury vehicle, and that will have tremendous performance technology, and it will be one of the most efficient, environmental friendly vehicles out there. According to Lucid, its manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona will have a yearly production capacity of 34,000 vehicles. However, in this year, it will be only producing the Lucid Air Dream Edition, which has already been accounted for, the 577. Next year, in the year 2022, it will deliver 20,000 vehicles. And based on what we know, that these are going to be the vehicles of a mix between the Lucid Air Touring and the Lucid Air. It will be one of the higher trim levels of the Lucid Air. So the thing that's going to make Lucid Motors a very strong and competitive company is it's going to have its three major strengths. The first one is that the management team of Lucid includes the top 20 scientists and engineers that have been involved with other vehicles such as Tesla, Audi, Samsung, Intel, and General Motors executives. The Lucid Motors leadership team and professionals are the top auto and technology companies that have put this vehicle together. In the past 5 years, Lucid has been developing its technology and has been perfecting it to have the most efficient and best electric vehicle out there. The second strength is that Lucid Air has been investing a lot of its time into the technology and the batteries for its range and its performance. This company has so far secured more than 9,000 reservations of the Lucid Air model based on all the customers' interests in this product. And finally, Lucid Motors is going to be producing all of their manufacturing in-house. So it makes all of its batteries, all its technology, all of its sensors are going to be produced in-house, which is going to be a very big financial impact for this company and a very high growth for the stock. Now let's talk about the CCIV stock. In the past month, the CCIV stock has had a really nice run up. Its low was on May 18th at $18, which has gone up to a high of just under $27 at the beginning of June. We have seen a little bit of a sell-off, but as we will see, right now we're trading a little bit sideways and retesting a new base at $23 at the $23 mark. And now we will have to see if we can crack that resistance of $26, which I think we will in the next few weeks when CCIV becomes and merges to Lucid and once we start these production vehicles going. I think by the end of this year, we do have a chance of getting CCIV or Lucid in the mid-40s, possibly even to the $50 mark per stock price. The CCIV Lucid stock has a very big potential for growth, and that is because they have very good engineers that have made a premium luxury brand and it created a niche for itself that no other electric vehicle company out there can compete against. It has the longest range of any vehicle out there. The Lucid Air Dream will have a range of 503 miles. It will be very fast and have a great performance with a horsepower of 1,080 horsepower and a 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. This is going to be a monster of a vehicle. It's going to be very efficient, and I think it's going to do a great job with all of its technologies that the company is rolling out and slowly showing the customers out there what it can do. I think this will be a big hit. This car will go on sale and start producing its vehicles in September of this year in 2021, with first its Lucid Air Dream starting at $169,000, which all reservations are sold out. However, starting next year, Lucid Air Dream will start delivering its other lower cost trims that will also have at least a range of over 400 miles. The only other competitor out there that Lucid has at this time is going to be the Tesla Model S Plaid Edition, and it cannot compete with its range, as the Tesla Model S Plaid has a range of 390 miles. It has over 1,000 horsepower and it has a 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. So looking at the efficiency of it, Tesla cannot compete against Lucid. In addition to the Lucid luxury of the vehicle cannot be compared. So I think this is a great stock to own in the long term, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me that thumbs up so you can spread this video to others. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all, so we can grow this channel. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. If you want to help out the channel, I put 2 links down below. One is a Webull link. If you deposit $100, you get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you use Coinbase, you can deposit $100 and get $10 back in cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you so much for your support, and have a great day. Until next time.